Micah Hughes, 7 on the shot clock, as you can hear the countdown by the team. In deep, garbage shot, no good. Tip up, no. But off the rim it comes to Haley Dunham, who had the tip in the first place. Now Jelks tries for 3, gets a bounce and drops it. Regather, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Simone, wide open 3, bang it all. Flow of the game. Jelks, entry, high elbow left. Parker, Jelks for 3, bang! As it pinballs around and comes down to Camille Lenore. And here come the Trojans on the attack. Simone Jelks, first shot of the game, first hit of the game. 2. Front court come the Waves. Jessica Ross has it. No, check that. That's Shannon Johnson. Johnson looking at Ross over on the right wing. Comes up to Iam up on top. Long and lean she is. One bounce dribble. Wastes that dribble. Gives it up to Kennedy. Kennedy starts to drive. Offensive foul. Pushing off. Away from the ball. That'll be on Bryant. Alicia, 73 points a game. Utah was up around 77 a game. And Trojans held him down into the low 50s. Iam. Entry pass to George. She walked. Lays it off to Iam, but through her hands it goes. True freshman, now 5 for 6. I had to go and mention it, didn't I, from Arizona?
I was about to, so if you weren't going to do it, then I would.
And on the rebound, effort. Blows her own shot, air ball, rebound. Pepperdine, dual possession. It'll go to the Waves as they lost the opening. for the Utah game, but still rather on the sparse side here. LaPlante. Nice backdoor cut by Jelks. Lay it up and in, and she'll get the free throw to go with it. Kari LaPlante with a
Arms not letting her shoot that three out there because of that spider-like wingspan. Jelks